If you've made a payment through your Google account and need to request a refund, follow these simple steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Check your purchase history. Visit the Google Play Store or Google account page and sign in. Navigate to the Order History section to find the transaction you want to refund. Step 2. Select the transaction. Locate the specific purchase you wish to refund. Click on it to view more details about the transaction, including the date, amount, and item purchased. Step 3. Initiate the refund requests. Look for the option to request a refund. This may be labeled as Request a Refund or Report a Problem. Click on it to proceed with the refund process. Step 4. Fill out the refund form. Complete the required fields in the refund request form. Provide a reason for the refund and any additional information that may help your case. Step 5. Submit your requests. Once you have filled out the form, review your information and submit the request. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your refund request shortly after. After following these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates on your refund status. If you have any issues, you can always reach out to Google support for further assistance.